If your UTI keeps coming back, stop guessing. I'll give 5 real reasons it returns, the exact questions to ask your clinician, the quick test to do as soon as possible, and the exact testing kits I trust. No panic, just a plan. Hey, I'm Sapphire from GlowSync Health HD. Here we turn complex sexual reproductive science into clear and simple to understand sketches and videos. Today, we are going to decode 5 signs of urinary tract infections that might not be a UTI, and things you can do to prevent mistreatment, diagnosis, and further complications. But here's the disclaimer. This video is informational only and is not medical advice. If you have severe pain, high fever, fainting, or vomiting, seek emergency care immediately. If you are unsure, call your health provider. So, let's start with the signs. Sign number 1. When your urine dipstick or culture is negative, but the burning or pelvic pain continues. If tests are negative, antibiotics will not help. Consider bladder pain syndrome or interstitial cystitis. Ask your clinician for specialist tests. And if you have fever, flank pain, or vomiting, seek urgent care now. 2. Symptoms keep flaring after antibiotics. Normally, a bacterial UTI improves quickly, but if pain returns again and again, do not accept repeated identical antibiotic courses. Insist on deeper testing and a referral. 3. Pain is tied to sexual activity, or there is abnormal vaginal discharge. That pattern points toward vulvovaginitis and STI or cervicitis conditions that are not fixed by bladder antibiotics alone. Get STI testing and a pelvic exam. 4. You have fever, chills, back or flank pain, or vomiting. This could be a kidney infection. This is urgent. Go to the emergency department or urgent care. 5. Symptoms started after using a new soap, detergent, feminine product, topical, or condom type. That suggests chemical irritation or allergy, but not UTI. In this case, stop the product and monitor for 48 to 72 hours. If symptoms persist, see a clinician. Here's what you must do. This guide is simple and practical for everyone. 1. If you have not yet tested, use an at-home UTI dipstick to screen quickly. 2. Hydrate, avoid irritants, and pause sexual activity until cleared. 3. If you have severe symptoms, fever, flank pain, vomiting, or bloody urine, seek emergency care right away. 4. If antibiotics do not clear symptoms or tests are negative, request a referral, urology, urogynecology, or pelvic floor physiotherapy. And number 5, grab any of these products and services online, links in the description and comment section. This is the list of our trusted and tested resources that might help. Easy Home, UTI test strips for quick at-home screens, Everlywell, at-home UTI testing, and telehealth consults for fast triage. Remember, this video is not sponsored. If you click the links in the description and buy, you help GlowSync HD grow and keep producing more free, useful videos at no extra cost to you. Plus, you can download the free Glow Health UTI Triage Pack, a printable checklist, urgent red flag card, and sample questions to ask your clinician. The link is pinned in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that you don't miss another helpful video, just like this. This is GlowSync Health HD, your global sexual reproductive health and mental health hub for young adults you can trust. See you in the next one.